welcome to a very wet Canary Wharf and the Winter Lights Festival. So let's start the show. I first visited the Winter Lights Festival a few years ago when I worked at Canary Wharf, and that's how I first knew about it. Today it's grown into quite a big event, and there are stewards all around handing out leaflets if you need one. Refreshments are available at a little hut here, selling beers and coffees and ice cream. I think it's too cold for ice cream today. There's even an ice cream van.
Give us an S for subscribe.
Let's go over here. Well, we do hope that you have enjoyed today's episode.
Yes, it was very, very wet indeed. So for those of you that have liked this episode, give us a thumbs up. For those of you that have not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. And for those of you that want to leave a comment, you can do so as well.
And if you'd like to buy us a coffee to help us along the way, there is a link in the description. Well, we're going to head into Canary Wharf Tube Station now because it's really wet here. We'll see you next time. Bye.